What is life? Life is a reality, miss poor people. Living in poverty, leaders of the world, and living in luxury. But all the little girls, they are living tribe. So what is life? You know, it's GQ representing for Richard Brown Film. And if it's the first time to the channel, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. So when I post new material, you will get it. Zane, yeah man. And here we are going now. Go over to my channel, which is GQ TV, because I got a brand new series. Just type in Choices Jamaican series. I already did 3 seasons. So just check it out, man. Just big up Richard Brown Films. Big up to the team who's been helping me tremendously. See, so good. We've been doing it, working with Richard for the past couple of years. You know what I mean? And check out this new movie. I'm not gonna talk too long now. Check out this new movie we're dropping right now. It's called The Mission. Richard Brown Films in collaboration with GQ TV. You hear me? Just do the right man and subscribe to the man. Richard Brown Films.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
You see the party where Born to Shine put on, Richard Brown Films are endorse it. So I want to go and support it. Be a rough way. Yeah, my bad day still, you know. So. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Alright, anyway, I roll a beer and come lay down with you here.
Uh-huh.
I'm forward.
Give me my phone. Give me my phone. You see me a search your phone. Where you going on my phone for?
Woman, listen to me. Who named Sidman Johnson?
Aye, sir.
It's not a play thing, you know.
You see Sidman Johnson on my phone?
Who named Sidman Johnson iPhone? A pure heart emoji me see beside it. And I hit me going a pure heart. And the things that I see night.
You take your two big bulky eye them and see Sidman Johnson on my phone. Idiot! A Sideman Johnson. Damn fool. You know say me you can't agree? You ever see me a search your phone? Where you search my phone for?
What do you mean by when I search your phone?
And my uncle name so we can't search my phone.
Your uncle name's... Wait, where's that side man?
Yeah, your last name is Side.
Alright, listen to me now. I'm very serious. I'm very serious. You know say me no take second best, you know. And me know say a bunny argument with that person, you know, because your uncle now go send no love emoji. And I send all kind of... So what on say you're your uncle in a things?
Me love all of my uncle them.
You love all of your uncle? Don't take it for a joke thing, you know, lady.
Me love all of my uncle them.
May I tell you the truth, you know? Listen to me. Listen to me. When we meet you, when me hear you talk and me hear you go through, me never expect to go through this, and me tell you. If you know say, you all give me problem, you go on, come out of my place. Me tell you already. Me talk to you about that.
So you search my phone and they cause problem.
And me if you cause problem, if
You search my phone and they cause problem. Every time I put on my phone, you take up here and they search it.
When me get tonight and get, when me forget right now, I mean I tell you say, you have to go come out of my place. Because no uncle now send you them kind of messages and with them hard sticker that it be going
on. What kind of message I see on my phone? So me can put side of my uncle so me love my uncle.
Give me the phone.
Favorite uncle.
Give me the phone.
Me not give you and me walk on by.
Just to sure say, if I know uncle, give me back, me go through the phone right now.
No,
and you can't do that.
No, me not. Give me your phone, let me search it.
Me can't give my phone, nothing in there.
Look how much uncle me have and you know them. Peter Sideman and Chop me can't bother.
You talk, but you listen to me, listen to me.
Listen. Me uncle name listen. Sideman and Sideman Johnson and whole heap of uncle me have where
yeah, hear me man.
Me nah come out.
Me nah go put me on pan, you know.
Me nah come out.
Oh, you mean you nah come out?
Why you want me to come out?
As me said, just give me your phone, make me go through the phone, me and you, and then you can say, boy, see me uncle say that there. Give it to me.
Me not search your phone.
You see, you can't do it.
You don't have no right to search my phone.
Hide.
Me not hide nothing. No, you put lock on your phone.
Then me can go through my phone right now in front of you and show you say nothing in there. Let me say, give me the phone and prove it to me.
You tell me if you not go in your phone. You have right to go in on my phone?
Anyway, me see what I see now. I'm done so me say, I'm done talk when I talk now. You have to come out of my house.
Whatever you see?
You have to
me don't know if you on my phone because I never see it. You where you going chat about? Sidman Johnson. Where you get that from? You look like your mama never seen you go to school. I don't know what me take you up for. I worst man in my life. I search my phone. Me I sleep here, I search my phone.
Is that alright?
No right you not having on my phone.
So where you go?
What do you mean where me I go? You know you see? Now you tell me if you left.
Oi, no woman left me no. Where you go? So where you go?
You see me if you left? So me I left.
No woman left me, I've been telling you no.
What you mean? No woman no left me? No. What you mean?
No woman can't left me no.
What you mean? You just tell me if you left.
Me said no woman can't left me. You understand what I mean? Take that in your brain. You say if you go out here so, you're not gonna like it, you know.
You know say you.
You're not gonna like it.
The Lulu, you.
You see how easy it is to me tell you if you come out and you're gone. That means I mean
we are doing on my phone. Me not search your phone. You have no writing on my phone. So me not have no privacy for my own phone.
Them me not find them, I want to find in there. Eh?
So that you do search my phone and you make problem with me.
Me have a traffic. Get me out going away. Anyway, go on. What me do? Go on. I'm telling you now.
Me not come back to your yard.
You're not gonna like you know. Watch and see what I got. Watch and just watch. Sure. Man.
Yeah, bossy. You did say you want to talk to me, you know. Yeah, man, I don't want to talk to you, man. A few things been missing around the back, you know. And I know if the and I know if the camera them did that work, I would need to ask anybody any question. I could just pinpoint the culprit. True. But since I don't have a camera around here and there's not a lot of us working here, I said let me ask you. Did you take anything from the storeroom? Me, boss, you know, sir. I'm hard work. I'm not going to take no out of this. I love my job. Me just Me just left me yard, come and work, and left work, go home. Me no take nothing. Me no left with nothing when me no come here with.
So, are you saying if I know you techie, a German techie?
Yep. You ask Jeremy anything, I said,
Me ask German, and German say him not take anything.
but me no take
So
nothing.
listen, if it's not German, it must be you.
Suppose I know me and a Jeremy. Me not gonna take
Well,
no
listen,
type
here me I
of
go do.
bossy.
Me I go fire German, but me I go also fire you too, you know.
So bossy, I make you look like some thief something out of place. Me not thief no at all. I fire me for one. No reason.
Yes, me I fire you.
No reason at all. I know me do nothing, but you try to say me steal something out of place.
You what? Me not too want you argue with me now. That me I try to tell you.
Bossy, fire me if you fire me, bossy, but me no thief no out of your place. Me no like that. I'm going on me pay now.
Me have a pay in your hand. You think I party shop this? Me will just ensure some me send the money to your account. You understand? So that, and a matter of fact, I just 3 days out of a week you work, so me send you 3 day money.
Bossy, a foolishness is bossy. Me no
Well,
thief
you can go on now. You can
It's
go on.
alright, man.
Sis, as you know, the room around there, so you know, I forgot about them right now. I want talk to me now.
Me can't take him, man. He run me out. So me come out.
Cause-
And me nah go back on yard.
What cause him to run out? Nobody not get to put of them sense of mind and run out the woman out of their house. What you do?
I lie to him.
What you
Some
do?
of them-
You can't tell me you not do nothing, you know. Remember say me and your sister, you know. Go tell somebody else that they can't tell me that what happened.
You know, say like a dirty boy search my phone. Me say I sleep, me dey sleep, you know, one mind say me fi wake up. Me see him a search my phone.
So when your phone so that you know if it's explain to me, just talk straight no man.
He search my phone and see one man a text me and me dey text the man. So
So
he say me and the man dey, say me a cheat pan him, me a give him bun. And me no know how that a affect him, you know.
Me-
Because that when he used to do
listen
me,
to me,
me
listen
a
to
do
me.
it back.
Listen to me. Me know David and me know say David are no idiot. So he go in your phone and he see and somebody a text. Where you that there's somebody there text so that he could have hurt himself, him put you out. Eh?
David just too damn
So when you
blasted
get them man
jealous.
there text say so.
Couple times me and him go a hotel and same thing. Yes, me and
You
him
know
there.
what kind of
Me and him there, when time David used to give me bun. When me come to you, know what you said to me? Him a man. Like he have right to go give woman bun and woman not right. Look
what
here.
type of example you said, sister?
The one where you know fi follow.
Me not follow you because you true David cheat you cheat back. I know David hurting and you are hurting you.
He just run me out, you know. You not see that, you know. He run me out. The way I try say.
Because you deserve it.
Deserve.
You're in a man house and a man roof and a deal with that man? Eh?
Let me tell you something. You see the man when you talk about, carefully you talk about him. Because that the man there, him love me. And he take care of me.
So David no love you and David no take care of you. How far roof you the under?
Eh?
Because as long as me know you and David, me know say David been a take care of you and been a give you what you want. So because this time man a come run and him good in a bed.
Me never say David no good. Don't mix me. Cause it sound like you want can use to David, that
Me
Yeah,
not
your sister, you know, you forgot.
me not mix and mingling and no man and woman because might as well tomorrow you and David that out this a whole and a skip.
No, me not tell no lie. Me love
This
David.
one.
But you see how David that diss me, me did a figure him bun.
So like him a threaten you?
Of
That
course,
me ask.
you could have asked that there. David was so jealous. Of course, he might threaten me. I mean, I know what else he won't think when he won't do to me. Me not trust him. Me not go down there. Me not go back down there.
Me never ask any about down there. Me never ask any about down here and David can't come up here so neither because camera they all around my
You can't
house.
even read.
What you mean David can't read? Me not busy boy and David.
What you mean?
This is my
I
suggestion.
search my phone and go see name in my phone and then chat about Sid man.
Listen.
A side man, you know.
The and David conversation. Listen. This is my suggestion. Me don't know if you know. You know Pastor Ray?
What?
Me say me no like talk to you. Me say if you know Pastor Ray and stuff.
I don't want no pastor. What you want to do? Introduce me to go there with pastor. You're bright? No.
Listen to me now.
Me a hear.
I don't want him and only one pastor.
I want him be. Where you look for me stuff and I set side with you? What? I want to know what.
Say no. Yeah, so what phobia?
Eh? Where just say, Obia?
Jesus Christ, take time.
Nobody not.
You want people pass and hear me I tell you about phobia?
What happened? One more Obia, where you say that for?
You know, hear me say take time talk. We can go up there. You know, go kill David, you know. And you can work for you so you can give one suggestion for David come off your back. You know, believe me have one friend. Where a man, I see him problem. And guess which part she don't know? Foreign. And man married one of them rich man. The girl in a shot and nothing. So believe me when me tell you, say Pastor Ray one good man and he can help you.
I suppose me not do what you say good cause me. No, me tell
Oh,
you.
that's so tough?
No, look here now. Me know two somebody when they sell side and side. You see two vendor. One of them go one hobby man. For the next one, just listen no.
No, sis.
Nobody not hear me.
I saw your every grass.
No, listen you know. Just listen man. One of them go hobby man for the next vendor. Kind of want him sell nothing. You see whatever the hobby man tell him to do, you know, do it good. So he catch him. The somebody we going or him he catch. Thank God for go make the next vendor drop asleep, he no get no customer. And me you want to go hobby man, you must be bright.
Jesus
Every day the
Christ.
man drop asleep and
One to you.
the next vendor still a sell what you want.
Talking upon hobby. If you don't want it, you don't do it. All me this
Wait,
idea is a
wait, man.
suggestion.
When me ready to go one at a time. What you say?
You know want to go okay. How what this Bona man name?
I used to them kind of life, you know, man. Jesus, peace. Me finally answer. Look from when me a call her. Chantel.
Where you call my phone? How are
Chantel, what make you left?
you? Tell me to left. So me left. How are
Them let's Jesus Christ. Let's make we talk it out, no man, and so forth, man.
me not talk about nothing with you. You want dirty man. You like one like I see you want come run things like you know king in a this place there. No, and just so you go. You can't want contact to me anyhow like a little dirty stinking foot butter foot rubber tails yellow we used to chat about the road. And me make you turn somebody. You dirty.
Hold on. Shan, listen to me. Remember, you know, me not do nothing, you know.
You not do me nothing.
It come like,
Let me tell you.
hold on, me not really want.
Right now, me vex with you, me mad with you, me serious about everything what happen. Me and your left dirty boy.
Alright, listen to me. Just listen me out. Me not do nothing, right? Me go through a whole heap in a life. And when me meet you, me I tell you, say, listen, me man, me no want to go through, me a big man, and me want to settle down. And you meet everything and everything nice. Me no know what happen. Me no expect the boy never start over. How me I gonna live without you?
Hello.
Eh?
When me just meet you, you hear me? Me say, me no know you call me phone for you know. Yes, when me just meet you, the person that I thought you was is not that type of person. You're a real cross.
Say,
I want you.
say really are gonna left me like this.
And you tell me to left.
Alright.
I say, I give me a do.
Remember, you know, me no do nothing, you know.
You not do me nothing.
Me no do nothing, you know. Remember me tell you, you know, me no do nothing. No, it can't, anyway. It can't really just go so. It can't really go so. It can't go so.
You can't really go
No.
so. What goes around, come back around.
Alright.
You used to give me about time to give you back some, so take it.
It's alright, here.
I calm and read.
No man, it's alright. It's alright.
If you want for my phone and don't call me back, you go dirty boy. Me go find a new man.
It's alright. Ah, freaking right. Nice boy done with. Nice boy done.
Big bro.
Yeah, I need it, man. IG.
There, man.
We're not gonna work today.
Big bro, if you tell the truth, you know what say. I lose the work door, bro.
Why you lose the work?
Yeah, bro, me I stand up for myself, brother, and boss fire me. You want to try to say me thief money and me not thief money, and you know me. You know me as a little brother, me I not thief. Me not thief no money.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the man I try to say money I miss you know, but I know me. I know me one work there, you know. I'm more than 6 hours with it there, you know. Man fire me, brother. Just because me I did it and I tell him it say yo, I know me. He want to say I'm me, but everybody.
Bro, love that, brother. Just stand up for yourself and just talk for your rights, brother. Believe you me. You see? Stand up for yourself and talk for your rights. See, yo, what you plan to do?
Brother, right now, they have things set for run some taxi, you know, to tell you the truth, big
Taxi?
bro. Yeah, man.
So you plan to work back with people again?
No, big bro, I'm not planning to work with people. Me, I think about my own. Me, I try to get my own vehicle. I don't know how you stay if you can help me out. And if you
Yeah,
help
do
me
your
out,
thing.
me can pay back in return, man. Me, I work hard and pay you back.
My bro. Tell you the truth, as much as the place stuck out in the tourists now to pass through, you know. You see, it's a business can slow, you know.
Me see from me come over here, me see nobody not even 2 days in a place with you.
Yeah, man, business kind of slow, man. But here we go on, you know, you have a piece of food up a yard. You know what I mean?
Yeah, me get what you say.
Yeah, man, have a piece of food up a yard, we can lineate, you see, and make it get the vehicle.
Alright then, so me just go and work and make sure you get back your money.
No, man, that good, man. I say to you, I'm a little brother, me I do it for you. You see?
Respect that, brother.
Yeah, man.
Respect that. Me glad feel like a strength God know. You see me?
There for you, man.
Cause you know, say me I try hard, you know. I mean, I like when people try to use things against me and make me look like me I do bad things. You see?
You know them way, man.
Yeah, man.
You know
You
them
know
way.
your little brother always a try. Big bro, me respect you for everything you do for me. Me I go up on my block, I feel like a bit good, you know.
Yeah.
I'm glad say you help me out.
Yeah, man, but there for you, man.
I'm
Remember,
more
say
don't
I'm a
mind
little
you
brother.
get all whole heap of tourists right now. To tell you the truth, I want the whole life front so empty. And it a go happen, you know, big
Yeah,
bro.
man, I got go, man.
I say a word, me I do up, so you just check me. You see me, just call me.
Yeah, man. Say
Alright.
a word, man.
Big up yourself.
Ah, Jaja, you.
Western. They are move slow.
Check that money out there, son. Taxi I run, sir.
Yeah, man, a taxi me I run.
You know a man named Pastor Ray?
House.
Yeah, charter?
Yeah, man, me can do charter and work,
How
man.
much you with that charter?
Me not too like a charter thing in my new on the road, you know.
Yeah, that's it. So we can't get a 15 in your work with it.
Yeah, man, that not sound bad. It depends how far, you know.
From me see you no make no money from man. You know, I want a piece of roast this, you know. Come now.
I work.
Come then now.
I just wanna go.
We want go to one man.
Which man?
Read a man.
We want go to Pastor Ray, run a whistle.
Oh, Pastor Ray, easy something like, man.
Yeah.
But Pastor Ray, road bad, you know. Sorry, the road bad. So I normally 20 grand, but me take it 15. Cause I not really do nothing from come out.
You have the 15?
Me have more than 15,000, but me uncle can give you 15, because me have other things to do.
So come now, man.
You have to go out that, you know, because me not...
No, me not come in a taxi with this one. Work, me I work. Pastor Ray, me know Pastor Ray good, you know.
Right there, so.
Right, that's all?
Yeah, right there, so. Right, my lane.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so here.
Alright. Wait for now. You say?
Yeah, man, I chat, you know, wait for me, man.
Alright, me out there, so I just hold a smoke and wait for you.
Alright.
Don't take long, you know.
Me not take no
I
long
have to
time.
go back to work.
Alright, yes, so, man. Me not take no long time. Me soon come, man.
Alright, if I say that, I work with that. I there out there.
Right, yes, so. Sure. We could have walk around there, so, too, you know. Pastor Ray!
Evening, none of Pastor Ray there anymore, you know. Pastor Ray gone overseas for one church trip. So I'm there go and have control over the business I know. I know where you come about, you know. A man problem you come about.
You're right. Me say. What your name? What your name?
My name is Mr. Rodney.
Rodney.
Mr. Rodney.
Well, Rodney, I have a big man problem. Me no know if you can sort out it for me, But me wouldn't mind you can. Although you say you can, me want you to do it for true and me want you to do it the strongest way.
Yeah, man, just
Me have
talk to me.
one man. Jesus Christ, me can't take him. The man tormenting, and gnawing, nagging. Me no like his style. Me can't chat to nobody. Me can't use my phone in a piece. As me put on my phone in searching, me want get rid of him. Me no want him
So
in
you
my
want to
life.
kill him?
No, no, Jesus
So you
Christ.
say you want to get rid of him, say what you
No,
want to
no,
do
no, no, no. Just listen me. When me say me want get rid of him, me mean say me want you take him out of my life completely. Make him go look one different woman. Me nobody want him in a my life. Just make him come out of my life. Make him take in them half of me. Make if the devil a put in mind for me, he switch for somebody else. I don't need to know this somebody. Make him switch for one different woman. Cause me no want him. Me
then?
tired of him.
I have a solution. So here we are go to now. You go downtown and you get one of the aisle them say stay far from me.
Eh?
And you go rub up that and you go buy some candle.
What kind of aisles are?
The aisle name stay far from me.
Stay far from me.
Yes. And
Okay.
you go get candle and then the stuff there.
What kind of candle me forget?
You get candle one where you light up, man.
The green one or the purple one or the red one? Which one? Or the white one? Cause they have all
Get
different.
the white one.
The white
Yeah,
one.
man, the white one good.
Oh,
And
so what me
you
do?
need a coconut too.
Coconut.
Yes, because you go all out of the crossroad and drop the coconut in the
Jelly
road.
or dry coconut? Which one?
Get the jelly
Yeah,
and you drop it in the road.
jelly.
And you go call in him 3 times.
Calling him three
Yeah.
times. And what me fi do now again?
Yeah, man, I just that you have to do, man. Just call in name and shout out in name. And you get rid of him.
So how much time me fi calling him?
Call in him 3 times.
3 times. Calling him 3 times
Yes.
and get the coconut and bust in the road.
Right.
And light the candle.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So you not charge money?
Of course. You owe me
Oh.
15,000.
Eh?
15,000.
15,000?
15,000.
Wait there. Oh, this are 15,500.
Alright.
Yeah. So me just get a tip. I hope it work, you know.
Yeah, man, you come back and come tell me, man. You go proud of what I tell you for the man.
Okay, alright.
Spin a road 3 times before you. Spin
Right,
a
and
road.
so?
Yeah, man, spin a road 3 times, man. Alright, you're good enough.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, man.
Scully,
How that?
Scully. I'm me, man. I'm David.
Yo, me tell us to tap to them something in the youth.
Yo,
Don't pull up on man, say brother.
man, may I come look? May I come check you? Are you alone on there now?
So what, I'm on phone.
Cool, man. I want to see you, man, right now.
I'm tell you, man. Come in, man. Don't do them things, brother, man. Stop frightening us, brother. I tell all the while to you, man. I'm tell you, man.
All right, my boss.
How you deal it? Tell us to stop going like you're coming now, man.
Cool, man. John Mustard.
Where's that going now? Hey, what you do? But tell us you're going like you're pitting too much in the youth. Well, you come and start come touch man machine youth. I'm tell you, youth. Why you not grow up, youth?
You what, man? John Mustard. Yeah, you what? Me
Yo, listen what me say, man. You see this? You know what you just do a while ago? It's a work me just go up on a while ago, brother. See? And you put your fingerprint on it. You can't manage jailhouse.
Sorry, man. Sorry. So, Scully, listen to me.
Talk, man, and hurry up and go on, man. Because you see two men you go up, bro. That I think, man, not really do this one at a time, brother.
Listen, no, you tell me, say, me can come link anytime, me no problem. Zin?
What I'm telling you, talk to me, man.
He youth them from up high front, they run a shop high corner. You know, Mango Head and them boy there.
Man,
See?
go ahead, yeah.
I be this. Yo, the man them take away all my money in my youth. Hard earn money when me take for me woman. The man them take away my money in my youth. Zin? I kick me up on all them things then, boss.
So you man them know say how weak fence, you know.
But them things are not right, my youth.
David, I know say dope enough for friend.
Yo, if I ever know you know, man, you would even know you know, my youth. I forgot, yo, I check me come check in, come here, I forgot deal with them, you know, man. Man, them angry bad out there, you know, my youth.
I talk about David. Boy,
You can't deal with nobody.
You tell me, say, boy, in time, me not a problem for come check you. That me come for now. That me come for.
No, man, we are talking about that I come for. You can't fire a gun.
What you mean if you can't fire a gun? That me come check you for, boss. That me come check you for a gun.
Yo, top ball, man. That's a ball, man.
Yo, you would even know him, man. Little boy, when the place I come this
Where's the hold on? Where's the you ready for your work?
Boss, man, me serious. Me say, you tell me if you come check you when me ready. I'm come here now.
But me tell you, if you come check me when you're ready. But you tell us to come check me when you're ready.
Some man, you come like me, not joke thing, man. Me serious.
So you say ready to take on some work, you know?
Me ready, man. Ready right now. Me ready. Anytime me ready. But Zine, I check me come check you because I want to borrow a machine, go mash a works now, and I go deal with them boy the case, you know. Can't make him man them angle me see you, man.
You want me make you start some work, you know? See? Because you was a weak fence in the road, the man underestimated, so you're the quickest one to kill them.
Me a no weak fence, my youth. Me a no weak fence. Tell me I tell you that.
But the man them have as weak fence. So you me I say no. Me have a work I come up still Wednesday. I bring him up on the work.
No problem, man.
Just listen to me, man.
Sure.
Listen to me, man. Me I use you to be the man where I go dirt. Three, man.
Eh?
Three, man, me I go make a dirt, you know, one time, you know.
When?
Wednesday I come, man.
Wednesday?
Wednesday I come. Them not, you say you know, them not gonna expect it, because remember, you know, you, weak fence. Just spray me and say, no, this me and this still. But it's when a boy say you get serious. You must start, yeah, boy. Yeah, me I say. So you say, you want something?
No, want something. No.
I remember, you know, don't go around the thing, you know, work
Nah,
and
man,
everything.
how are you, man? Let me come
See?
check you, some virgin.
Make sure say you're serious.
Serious, man. Serious, my youth.
Alright. You know, a long moment, a second in the road. Mm-hmm. See the program.
And this you have hiding, huh?
Yeah, man. Nobody not expect that.
Look like a dukuno. Wrap
Look,
up.
you know.
Yeah.
Look, you know.
Jano.
Tell the enemy say, this is something for shook, you know. Yeah, man. Well clean, too.
See it there.
So, you may say,
Yeah.
the work how you have, because remember now, I go on, me and you mash some works together, you know. So, like, when you go mash your works, then me and you can jump out on your work for the first one.
No, man, me good, man. This, me got this. No worry yourself.
You
Me
got
got
this?
it. Yeah, man, me got this, man.
I never go up on a work yet.
Me good, man. Me tell you, say, me got this, man. Me got this. Don't worry yourself, man.
Alright, then if you say that then, because I'm kind of tired of now, thing.
Yeah.
So you may say,
Yeah.
watch out now, oi.
Yeah.
Hold on the machine now.
No, man, me good, man. Me got this, man. Me got this.
Alright, watch me now. Show you how I go on. Same thing, eh? You have to hold it down.
Me know that, man. Me know that.
You see me? And about that, put your finger in a second.
Boss, man.
Unless you got dirt something in it.
Remember, say, me no new cool to this, you know. Me know this, man. Me got this, man. Don't worry, man.
I mean, I got this. And you never...
Listen.
Listen, me I say, no, man. Just listen, no, man.
Alright.
Take it telling, no, man. Don't put a finger in a so. Unless you go. You see me?
Yeah, man.
See?
Yeah, man. Me good.
Yeah, man. And just take a bum. Put it in a so.
Ja.
And put a belt on it like a so. What I fall on a board and have it out, so.
Worry yourself, man.
Because you know, lice if I am man, you know. See you stay, so.
Good, man. Good.
You see me?
Good. Go deal with it and come in and you
Do
will
what
hear.
you do and come check.
Yo, you have a hear, you know, my youth.
Man, I got hear about it.
Yeah, man, you have a hear about
And
it.
I got evaluate how you work based on this work, yeah.
Oh, dear, man, you have a
See?
hear about it, my youth.
Do your thing, man.
Big up, man. Big up.
Yo,
Yes, sir.
keep it safe, you know, brother.
No, man, me good, man. Me tell you, say me good.
No, man, me good, man.
Alright.
Do what you do, man.
Alright, Scully. Big up.
General, where's the Western? Yo! Yes, sir, where's the Western, mama? I go Western. Come now. Western. I know, star. You ready?
Dex.
Watcha!
We are dealing with you. We are dealing with you.
Charge you a long time in a see now.
There, man, what happened? You work?
I mean this. Yeah.
Well,
So what you deal with?
there, man.
I want make you do down here so a long time in a see now.
Oh, is that a little move man go up and a little chat and me a look, but me not, you know nobody in here, man.
No, go on.
Yeah, perfect,
Nice,
man.
slow. You know, this time when I take up the whole life passenger, them. No,
And you have to go wait till all them man they load again, sir.
Yeah, man, and that too.
Yeah, man, it's perfect for me, no, cause here what I'm still. Me dey on a fast move, my youth. See?
move.
Yeah, man, a charter, more and charter.
Charter.
Yeah, man.
I mean, man, you know,
Quick
my
something.
bedroom, we can't
Yeah,
charter.
man,
my
you just
friend.
come back here, so we done, man, and, you know,
Yeah, man.
and so forth. So, I just run in Pentecost, me I go, how much you dealing?
Pentecost.
Yeah, man, just run the road, man.
Yeah, big, yeah, bedroom, though. You know, not really a one. So you can give me 4 grand.
I say, a Pentecost, me say, Virgin. Me no mean we the one down at the Pentecost.
Oh, the one day?
Yeah, man, just...
2.5.
Alright, so you what happen still? Yeah, man, me feel that, man, at least.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so...
good.
Yeah, man, but we just go... How deal with that, I know, and, you know?
It's a West End.
Boss, man, you hear me say, Virgin? And me and you charter, and I can forget, man.
But then we can't wait, you know.
Boss, man, just charter and go do your thing, man, and then you come back here, man.
All right, come in.
And just come in, man.
Out. Yeah.
So we good, though?
Yeah, man, we good, man.
But you don't get red plate for your thing, Virgin.
So they
Step on the road too long, man, to make...
Oh, man.
Yeah, man, straighten up yourself, man.
Hold on there. If we go back little, you know.
Yo, tell the woman to say you're not running, so shut up, man. Yeah, man, big up, man, respect,
Big up,
man.
man, a long time I don't see you now.
Yeah, man, I just want a Pentecost, as me tell you, man. Just want quick something I deal, you know?
Yeah.
And stuff, what?
I'm glad me see you. You know how long me there on the road and nothing now go on.
Yeah, man. I time still, I just say time, I too late, you know?
True.
And stuff. So you good, though?
Yeah, you know me I go and hold it now, try to do it.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it, you know?
Yeah, man.
Why, I tell you, man, trust me.
So things for you.
Why, even but I know if I tell you if I start, you know, you would trust me. So I go through some foolishness, and I have to just go deal with it, I tell you.
True. I want to hear somebody will take me taxi and run out. I tell him, I need to run him down because I used to do it, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Why, John, I focus on what I go deal with it. I tell you.
So like something important, man. Don't worry, man. We'll get there, you know.
Yeah, man, I just want a Pentecost, man. Don't worry yourself.
So straight up.
Yeah, man, let's take it straight and turn this, man.
All right.
Me stop here and tell you I wish, man.
Then, man.
What is this? I don't even know my head from my foot right now, too. I'm tired. But I look so. But sure, you know, it's just over David, you know. Sis.
Hmm?
Yeah, you hear me?
What you say?
I said, whipping ass just up over David.
No farm in mind, they just to go out.
I'm gonna call yourself, man. Everything go alright. I'm tired.
You want to sleep?
I go and go sleep. I can't stay up late today. But make sure you wanna check your door and something before you lie down, yeah. Smile, man, everything will go alright. I go lie down. If you want me alone, they run back home here.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, yo, hold on, hold on, yeah. Let's pull over here, sir. Right, yeah, man, let's go up a little bit more. Yeah, man, stop right here, sir. Yeah, man, right here, sir, man.
Alright, then, so I wait for you, sir.
Yeah, man, but you hear me, boss? Keep the engine running. I just want quick something I go deal with and come back, you know.
Yeah, man.
Zin? Alright,
No
I go deal with the
problem,
proper, man. Now, where you say?
Alright, do ya. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, keep the thing, you know.
Long time I don't see my bedroom.
Hey, Chantel. Get up, man. Get up. I never tell you, say, anyway, they me find you.
David, how are you do?
What do you mean what me I do? Me not tell you, say, anyway, they me find you. Eh?
Where you get gun from?
You know business with that.
So,
Yo, remember I tell you, disrespect me big time, you know. Big this, hey, yo, when me meet you, you know, man, I never have plan to go through all of this, you know. I'm tell you from day one, say me no share, you know. And you disrespect me and deal with me, so.
David, me sorry.
Sorry.
Me sorry about everything.
How are you, man?
So we can't talk over this.
Which talk? Talking days done. When me I talk to you, yo, hey, look here, man. How are you, man?
My heart a beat fast. David, what you gonna do? Don't nobody kill me, please.
Look here. You say me I tell you, you know, boss. Me talk to you, you know. And me tell you, say, boy, what goes around comes around, you know, man. I tell you, you know.
Me never. I don't know what to come over me. I devil. I know me. I know me, David. I know
So what you think about when time you there with that, them man there? Eh? And that me I try to, how the hell, you think, what happened now? You think that me can go back to you? No man no touch my property.
you can forgive me.
Forgive where?
Please, man.
You think I mistake? Yo, that's not a mistake because you know where you there though. I'm talk to you, I'm tell you, say me no deal with second hand. Yo, there's no turning back, you know. This righteous a point and no return. You understand me? Say, I hear me? Just hold this.
What that? Oh, go on. Jesus Christ. Yo! Yo, what happened?
Drive.
What you mean?
Drive,
I don't hear them there.
Boss man, drive, no man. Idiot, drive.
Brother,
Go on, you.
never sign up for
Go,
this. You know?
just go on, man. Drive, man. Drive. Go on. Sure. Come here, man. Drive, man.
Hey, Raquel. Hey, Raquel, I need you to calm down. Listen to me. Listen to me. Hey, Raquel.
Oh, you want me to calm down in a situation like this?
Listen. Is there any information you can tell me?
I don't know what to say to you right now, you know. How they for kill me sister, what my sister ever do?
So did the camera say anything?
No, I know the hall she did there. I mean, I'm room, I mean, one load expression by the time I come out, she did a gun. What my sister do for deserve this?
So, you know of anybody in any argument, anything
Me
at all?
don't know after that. My sister one good person. Only somebody me know would have really after her man. Cause she come there, that's why she stay with me.
Man, if I take good. Hey, Raquel. I'm really sorry about your loss. I understand what you're going through. Trust me. And we're gonna do everything to get you justice. But just stay right here and you're gonna take a look at the crime scene, okay? I know.
Dog. How you look so?
Bro, right now, brother. Right now, me in a shop right now. Yo, me run my taxi, brother.
Yeah.
I know what you know.
Talk no man.
Brother. Bro,
Yeah.
Virgin charter me.
Yeah.
You see, in a long time I don't see him, so I say, alright, yes, I work this. And come up on a big act, brother, big act, bro, right now. Yeah, be a shot.
What you say?
Brother, you don't even understand. Right now, I stress out. Suppose somebody for me plate. Eh?
Jaja, yo, hear what you do.
I go to prison, you know?
Yo, listen to me. Just listen to me. Hear what you want to do. Listen up.
Me I hear,
Hear what you
brother.
want to do. Just keep low, you see, and keep off of the street for a while. As long as nobody will see the plate, you're good. Believe me.
Like me have to go hide my car.
Just do what I tell you for dinner. Just keep low and keep off of the street.
Still I hear shot them, brother. I still I hear shot them. Hey,
It's calm, my man. It's calm. It's calm.
Brian, may I tell you the truth? You better you need help me buy a car. God no. Moody in this situation. Suppose you see, man. The man look simple, you know. Simple, man. You never expect him to do that. I know him for 20 years, I know it. I'm virgin and a long time I didn't see him. You see me? So me just, alright, I do work. You see me, and he make me all stop out the gate out there, he make me stay. Since so come back.
So who kill?
Me not know who he kill me, stay in the car and them here bam bam bam. Brother, like you not understand what me I try to tell you. Me no know what I go happen, me just know say me fi bring him this up and get my money. I work.
Yo, you ready, my bro? Just stay at my place for a couple of days and just wait till everything blow.
So David,
Yes, sir.
thanks for coming in. I understand that you're going through a lot right now, but I need you to focus. We right here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, what can you tell us about your spouse's death? Can you think of anybody or anyone who would want to hurt her?
Why?
Nothing?
Can't think of nobody in the boss, but I mean, I always talk to her about going down in the area there, you know, where her sister live, you know. A pair of hoodlum live down there, you know.
Okay. No, we understand that you guys had a big argument. Can you tell us what that was about?
You know, we argue all the time, like other regular people, and like, you know, plus everybody go through little arguments and so forth, and nothing, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
How far it usually go?
It never hit her yet. Nothing like that. None of them, nothing.
Never?
I never put my hand. If you check anywhere, you never see me name calling her nothing like nothing.
Ever threaten her?
Never threaten her, boss. Never. Never threaten her. Nothing like that. Never put my hand on her. I would
Okay.
have never do that.
We understand there were some infidelity issues.
What?
You had no idea about this.
No. Infidelity?
Yeah, we understand that she was cheating on you.
What news that to me, boss? I don't know nothing about that. Cheating on me?
Listen, David. You know what we are?
Yeah, me know.
Investigators.
But I don't know nothing about no cheating. That's strange to me.
So we investigate things.
Should I cheat on me?
So we're smart. And smarter than you.
That I news to me.
So if you're lying to us,
I don't lie.
we're gonna find out.
When I come to me with them arguing about my woman a cheat on me, what I don't know about. When they agree and when they pop my skin and them bridging, you really kill out a road down there, I interrogate my boss.
You have to officer lie, no?
What do you mean I tell a lie, boss?
Why you tell officer lie?
Me not lie to you. Who don't know about my wife a cheat, what me don't know about? How you know that?
Are you kill a wife?
Me not kill nobody, me never hurt nobody from the day me born.
And me sure about that. So Mr. David, you're telling us there's nothing you want to say to us?
Boss man, me not tell you, me not have nothing for
This
say.
is the time for you to come clean.
I don't have nothing for say what me can say. I don't. Me always tell her about going to that area where her sister live. It's not a good area. A whole heap of crime I go on they say in the boss. I don't know nothing about it. I never hurt a fly from a day I born.
All right.
It's new to me. Me not have no. We hear about and see them thing up on TV. Me never even know how it feel like. Somebody accused of being accused. Me don't know nothing about that, boss. Me not a killer. Me never even, not even a cockroach me want kill.
Okay.
Me not have them heart, the boss.
I know. All right. If you think of anything, give us a call.
Yeah, man.
Anytime.
So you are Detective Lane, right?
I'm Ling. Yep. Anything. All right.
Yes, sir.
And thanks for coming in.
Yeah, man. Respect, boss. Thank you.
Sorry about your loss.
Yeah, man.
Take it easy, David.
Yes, sir.
Don't go too far.
Yeah, man. Nah, I'm gonna go, my boss.
David. David.
Yo.
Forward now, man. So they lock me out.
No, man, I'm a good man, though. What go on?
So you ain't lock the gate them at that time.
No, man, everything all right, man. What go on?
So as me forward say I lock the gate.
No, man, things kind of like a jittery and thing and stuff. You don't know where you go, man.
I know this or this, man.
I'm feeling this, you mad? I'm feeling this.
Oh, can understand still. Because
Me
you're
could
paranoid.
I'm tell you, man.
See, say you're paranoid, man. You're first work. Man, all we man back way now.
John, what go on?
At all start we back way now. You're bossing now. But anyway, sorry for what I go on, see, because me hear what I go on, you know.
What you hear?
Say, man, them dirty baby mother, man.
That. Hey, boy, I tell you, John was there.
And me I say, watch out now. I saw them thing they got. You see America, you have to hide the family, brother. Because watch out now.
Boy, I tell you, man.
So you feel, say, it? I feel like I see a man when you go page of the night, you know.
You know, so that my mind upon me. I say, boy, I don't know how things happen so quick. I must some retaliation. Me I say, boy, I have for them.
So,
I have for them.
Yeah, man. Say, I know what I go on now. It's like how you go page them. You have to give them a whole book, you know.
John was there,
Yeah.
I tell you, man.
That
And that I forgot go on
Yeah.
still.
What you want to know?
Eh,
I burn them come for now, because
so quick.
I mean so quick. Yeah, a long time I have it. Remember, my man them kind of have up, you know, so I don't really want them take off my burner off of you. You see?
Man, sure.
Yeah, man, my burner there in jeopardy, you know, so.
Hold on.
You know, a ball game, man.
So, me can ask you something.
Ask any question you ask, man.
So, if I want to get it borrow again, you lend me, Zin?
Go on, so I go on first. Yeah, man, you will get it for borrow, man, but I give you some time, man, like, see how you angry yourself in the road. Because remember, you know, you're wanted, man, you know. I remember, you know, and the police want you, you know. You understand? So, let me see how you angry up yourself. Yeah,
So,
man.
big up yourself, you know, scholar.
For real. Ah, you what?
Eh?
Remember Wednesday, you know? Remember, say, for we work and I have for mash, you know, that no mash yet, you know.
Wednesday?
Yeah. Remember you promised me, say,
Yeah, Wednesday.
yeah, because remember you promised me, say, you are go on a year.
All right, scholar. Big up,
All
man.
right,
Big up
and
yourself.
I let me down, you know, but let me see how you go and do your thing now.
All right, scholar.
See?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my general.
John.
Ball game.
Officer, me not work, you know. Me day off, me depend on me not work today.
Listen, Mr. Rodney,
Yes, sir.
we're not here for that. Your whole boogie yaga thing. Listen, we actually here on a murder investigation.
And who?
You remember a lady you came to you a couple of weeks ago, one Chantel?
Chantel. I hear about the name there, you know. When people come here and I work for them, you know, I don't really ask them about their name, you know.
Listen,
Just do
listen,
my job and that's it, you know.
Randy. You understand? If you're lying to us, we can lock you for practicing out there. You know this is illegal. Tell us what you know about Miss Chantel.
As I say, I don't know our bossy. My eyes straight shoot me I tell you about.
You heard what I said when I walked in, right? We're doing a murder investigation. That tells you that the lady was found dead.
Give me a minute, the boss, because me not you see when the light gone, the time the spirit no work. You work when the sun out. So let me see if I can remember something.
Hey, boy, make you talk fast, no, man.
Oh, you easy for yourself, you know. And I make me have to go in and for your details, you know. Kinda nice, you know. For your time so come, no worry yourself, man.
Where will my time soon
As
come?
I say now, officer, the spirit just a tell me say I want black Vaxi the letter officer, I want taxi man. And the license plate number 7087. And that alone the spirit I tell me say now.
I understand how this whole Obia thing works. It's a customer based operation. So you telling me that you don't know this lady? I thought all these people were your customers.
I don't know them officer, I just that me a tell. And the spirit not really make me remember, but I just that to me tell them I remember.
Rodney, cut the crap, man. This is real life we're talking about here, not your fantasy, fake Obia life. You're saying you don't know this woman?
I don't know her officer.
All right. Just know that if you're lying to us, we're coming back to see you. All right?
Alright, officer.
All right, Rodney. If you think of anything, give me a call. Anytime, day or night. All right?
Alright, officer. Big up.
Don't go too far.
What tell lie, man?
I mean, he did say something about your time soon come. You think he knows something?
I don't believe I know, Obia. He that me not follow him.
You and me both. He did give us some good info on the taxi driver, though.
Yeah.
Let me call Leon down at IT. Yeah. Detective Lang. Anything on that plate number that I texted you? Oh, really? Can you give me location of that particular vehicle? All right. Yeah, I'll keep in touch. You're not gonna believe this.
What you must say?
So that same taxi that Rodney Yobeman tell us about said it was seen in the vicinity of the murder.
We have to look for him.
Yeah.
We have to try to find him.
Oh, most definitely.
Yeah, man. Investigate him, man. I have to tell you who in carry.
All right. Yeah, I could get out of here. Nothing to learn.
Western. No Western are there.
Yo. Hold on, see it. Hold on, come on, man. Come on, yo, come on. One time. Come on, man. Yo, come on, man. Boss, man, you say come on, man. Yeah. What person am I talk to you, man? Boss, man, what, man? I'm to you, man. Come here, man. Come here, man. Hard, man.
David, me not depend where you depend, you know, David, to tell you.
Yes, sir, Bridget. Stay right there, so I'm talk to you, man. I'm to you. You, me no hear nothing yet, you know. So you come like say you keep your mouth shut. You good for that?
Yeah, man, me good
You
pan
sure say you not say nothing?
David, me not say nothing.
Yo,
Me not tell nobody, no.
you say if me go down, your worst go down further, you know.
Me not do nothing.
How do you, man? Listen to me, man. Anyway, the thing stay out how it is, you know. Why you shut your mouth. I don't want you to say nothing to nobody, not even woman who you lay down beside on the bed, you know.
David, a problem you put me in, David.
Yeah, but you're not having a problem. All you have to do is zip your mouth, Virgin. Look for me. You know, say you have a brother over at Craft Market there, you know.
So, David, what my brother have to do with this,
Me
David?
know say you have your mother work down at Ricky, you know. Then,
David,
you know what school you pick me them go. So you know what you do? As me tell you, zip it.
David, me not tell nobody. No.
Make
David,
sure, no boss.
Me not talk to nobody. I work, me just come for work, you know, David.
Let me see your ID.
Me have to look out of me.
Let me see your ID. Boss, man. Yo, one
David,
thing, man.
listen on
When me
David.
talk, Virgin, let's move, man. Give me your ID.
Yes.
Me know where you live, you know, but me don't know exactly, you know. But just want to make sure, you know.
So you not done look
Hold
at me
this.
now, David.
Anything happen, come for you, know.
What me not like me I do not. What me I do?
Yeah, but me just want to tell you, boss, man. If me go down, your worst I go down.
My life did alright, you know.
I don't say the way, you know, Virgin. I saw things going on. See, me just want to know, say what they pan. Zin, sir?
We're good, man.
Everything good. Make sure, you know.
We're good.
See.
Dexter Declan.
Yes, sir.
You know why you're here, right?
The late truth, me no know enough. I just say I need some answers from it so that I bring me in.
Okay, let me get you update. I understand you pick up a lady prior to this, and you brought her to a Obeah. You remember that?
Taxi me running now. Me always step on the road. Charter, remember say one woman charter, the charter, you know, yeah. And bring her to Alabama. I remember that. Oh, a week ago or 2 weeks about that day.
Okay, let me get straight to the point, Tadeka. That lady, she's now dead.
So what that have to do with me a taxi me run, you know? So how do him? I'm not sure it's on our police.
Sadeka, I want you to focus.
Yeah, man, here.
This is between me and you right now. You know Mr. David Banner?
David Banner. Oh, so I don't know nobody named David.
I want you to look at me. This is just serious. You're in a serious position right now.
Me understand, but me don't know why me there so me feel work right now and make money on the road.
Do you know David Banner?
No, me don't know David Banner.
I just want to let you know, Mr. Declan. If you're lying to me,
yeah,
I'm gonna find out.
So I'm not telling a lie. Me don't know David Black. What we say we didn't even know his name.
So you could just tell me what you know right now.
Me know say me fit up on the road now I run taxi.
And that way I could help you. I can't help you if you're lying to me.
You can't talk to
just
me because this stay over there, so now.
Don't worry about it. Focus. Focus.
Why in the whole panic going, you know?
Don't worry about it.
Me I worry about my life.
My detective is there for my protection.
Me
just focus.
Well, I'm sorry say lady dead. Me don't know nothing about if you tell the truth, officer.
I can't help you if you're lying to me.
Me I tell you something I don't know what taxi me do. You see me? Me run a charter, yes, with her one time. Bring her to the Obama. That's it. No more me don't know about the lady there. You they tell me say she did.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go.
Thank you, sir.
But don't go too far.
So what are you gonna come back for me? For no reason.
Don't worry about that. Do I need to come back for you?
No, you don't need to come back for me. I work.
All right. As of now, Mr. Deck, you're free to go. But like I said, don't go too far. Because we will be talking again.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. What was that?
You know, see boy tell lie. Eh?
Listen, man. We got to play this by the book. Look where we are.
Lie the boy tell.
Yes.
I can't believe you're making gone, letting go free, so.
Calm down. That's why it's an investigation. We can't blow this. Just calm down.
We know what we're going to do.
I just want you to gather yourself together. Just gather yourself together and just go cool off. Go have a drink or something. You say we have all this evidence, but what we got? Everything we have is all circumstantial right now.
The boy had tell lie.
We know this, but that's why it's an investigation. We can't blow this case, man.
You're just letting go free. Yo, need it yourself, man.
I need you to cool off, detective. All right?
Brian!
Yo,
Big
my
bro.
brother, what going?
Come here, big bro. Come here, big bro.
Oh, go on again.
Bro, you know, say I don't have station me I come from.
Yeah.
Police come up on me, up on your yard, brother, for me. Tell me, say, they need to interrogate me, brother.
So what you tell them, say? What you tell them, say? Real them, say. What you really tell them, say?
Me not tell them nothing. You not tell me if you not say nothing. Me not tell them nothing. Me say I know me. That's how me depend on now. Me not do nothing. Me no want to talk about.
My bro, even though I tell you, say, for keep low, you should just tell police them.
Bro, the next thing me can't tell them. Impage me, you know, and tell me say any of me talking, you know, me people them, you know, we do them things.
Yeah, say.
You want something there?
No.
Me no want nothing there. Me no want nothing to do with some family them.
Why, my bro? I don't know you get yourself in there, you know. Trust me, I don't know where you get yourself in there.
Stress out, brother. Stress out, brother. I don't even know what me I go do, big bro. God know you. So I'm nervous, me can't even light my weed. Big bro, I'm stressed.
Yo, hey boy, come here. Come here to me.
Oh, what you want with me again now, big man?
Come here to me.
I want.
Take time talk to me now.
What you do?
Take time talk to me.
You don't interrogate me already.
You know my quality yourself. You can go me up. Me come for you personally. Yo, get up, get up. Get up.
Brother, I want, brother.
Yo, turn on.
Me not do that, you know.
Turn on.
Yo. Not taxi me, do you know?
Yo, shut your mouth over this, you know. Shut your mouth over this, one. Oh, that's enough.
Brother, I'm a bad man, brother.
A taxi me
What do
run.
you mean? You want me to lock you up?
What?
Okay, me can't take problem, you know.
What kind of style is that?
Thing are good, man. No, yeah. Come in, me not do nothing, you know. Your little brother not do nothing.
Officer, what is? What is?
Just take this and relax yourself, here. Great. Shut your mouth and go, sir.
David, where you are here?
What you mean them here? I condolences me come send to your sister, you know.
But you never did have to come here so and stand up on me gate.
Come here, man. I want to talk to you.
Me alright, ish for me day.
You say, come here, so I want to talk to you. What happened?
Wow.
Hey, what go on? Anyway. Something I ask you still, you know.
Talk fast. Me have to go do
Yeah,
something.
nobody know up there.
Me nobody know about me have to go.
Listen to me, me ask you a question. Zina, why you answer me? Me I go ask you one time.
Talk. Why you talk to me like this, by the way?
Who your sister there hand me with?
Huh?
Who your sister there hand me with?
David, what kind of stupid question you ask me? My sister dead and you come to me about argument who should I deal with?
You so much time I ask you.
I don't know.
I'm tell you, say me I go ask you one time. Listen, me man.
David, what you
Come
do? What that
You know
first?
see when I'm in hand? Come right here, so.
Put down that first, no?
How about it? Don't wanna, you cannot take me serious.
Alright, me sorry. Alright, sorry.
You know a ball man have a ball forget this and go on like a punk. How are you?
I'm sorry. Put down it first.
Me not put up, listen to me, man.
I'm
Listen
tell
to me.
you what you want here, but first you have to put down the gun. Put it down, no? You have to draw attention.
Who your sister there hand me with? I mean, ask you again, you know. You hear me?
No, no.
Oh, man, you come like you take things to joke,
Alright,
you know.
I'm not going to tell you, but you
You
have
play
to
the life.
calm down, no? David, calm down. Jesus Christ, what is
More answer right now.
Alright.
Who, you see much time I ask you,
Right.
who your sister there hand me with? I make me see. Talk to me.
So give me a chance to talk now.
Shoot.
Boy, I don't know what is. Alright, so
Listen to me, man. You
give
come
me a
like,
chance to talk now.
nobody have this stutter thing.
Alright.
Cause you know stutter.
Listen, alright.
Talk.
The man we are investigate the murder Johnson. And him did in a song before this happened.
Which dance you talk?
The one we are investigate the murder.
Police, Johnson.
I want policeman and he named Johnson. Couple times me and him go to hotel and same thing.
Johnson, that's what he do.
Alright, Johnson. Are you sure what you're saying, you know? Yo,
you never
if
hear
you give me no
before.
bad information, me I come back in and I pretty next time, you know.
No, tell me that.
You hear me? You know what I want you do? You see me come here, so?
Yeah.
You know see me.
Yeah, me never see
And if you say you see me here, so, me know where it come from, you know.
Me not
And I go come back, you know.
never see you.
You're not gonna like it.
Yeah, me
So you
not
know the
see
best thing you do?
Me not see you.
Go on up. Oh, Johnson. Jaja.
Good afternoon, Soup. Yeah, I heard that you was looking for me.
I'm not pleased with what's happening, you know. Where's Johnson?
I haven't seen him so far today in a Soup.
What do you mean? This a boy I get from bad tourists, you know. You know me, I go discipline him. The same suspect when me telling this stuff release the other day because we don't have nothing upon him.
Yeah.
Johnson lock him up again. Me just release him. This is the last time I talk to him. Hey, fix it, you know.
Soup.
Get a hold of him. You and him work, you know. Get a hold of him, you know. Or me I get a hold of you.
I apologize, but I had no idea that. I did not even know that was going on. When I talk to him, I'll try to get some information and all that.
Sound like you bullshit me or something.
Soup, I swear to you, I had no idea this was going on. I'll definitely get on it and get you some information ASAP.
Hey, may I call that boy from there and him not answer no. Hey, do me a favor.
Yes, sir.
When I see him, just tell him for come carrying him gun and him badge, you know. And listen again.
Gun and bad soup is really that serious?
I tell you already, you know. It might cost the government millions. Am I work you want them politicians to cut off?
But soup is
Me have a youth them for feed, you know.
he's really
And
been,
see,
he's really been one of my best partners. Sure, you really want to do that, soup? I mean, like I said, I could talk to him still and get you.
sound like he and John have something up on the sleeve, you know.
No, sir. Absolutely not. No, sir. You know me, I've been loyal to this person. Absolutely not, sir.
If you ain't a
Guarantee.
corruption, you know, it'll come back for your auntie.
No, sir. No, sir, not me. Soup, you know me. My reputation stand alone. But like I said, just give me some time. I'll get the information from him and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I guarantee you, Soup. He's a good worker.
Just do what I tell you for the year.
Yes, sir. Get on it, ASAP. I can't let me know, sir, so you know that.
Bro, I'm there, big and stress out now, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Me not think you begs like the soup.
What is supposed to mean?
Brother, the man just pretty much reprimand me down at the station, no? Say, I look for you, I call you, I text you, and he might hear a bag of things and he can't hear you.
What do you mean? Where is soup could I know?
What do you mean, way soup, no? No, what you do, brother? Detective,
What do?
how you figure arrest back the man with we Lego? And you know so the man not guilty. Brother,
Me just have him as a suspect.
just have him as a listen, man. You don't know the court thing, go. It's not what you know, it's what you can prove. You can't lock up the man, just have him as a suspect, Virgin. You need to call the soup, bro. Right now, the man say you want your gun, your badge, everything. You think I joke, man, make a serious citizen.
Me I lose work for that?
You don't know. Hey, a long time I tell you still, you know, Johnson. I think you really need to tell the soup, say you and the woman did in or something, before everything come out. You don't think so? It's only a matter of time before they find out say you didn't know something, brother. You know detective thing go. And if you wait, I don't know, I feel like you need to say something before. Don't put me in the position to tell them, bro. Just do the right.
Why you behave like you don't believe in me? Why you believe like a lie me I tell you? You supposed to be around to trust me, you know? I'm here part every single day, you know, bro.
Me? You really think I believe that?
I'm not off, I'm not tell him nothing. You know what? Better just go and just have a drink and relax, bro.
Brother, so you really feel say me believe that? Me just tell you, say, you have to do the right and tell them, say, 'cause you cannot act reckless too, you know. And they want to tell you, you know, detective, but remember when you're up on the scene and thing, you're going, bro, you cannot act reckless, bro.
Listen,
But
man.
not like me, I think, say, you do it. Me, no, say, no, you do it. But you have to tell them, say, you and the woman did in or something, bro, because you don't want that come out and...
Understand this. Listen, you have to understand this. See? I just lose my woman. And me strongly believe, like, very strong, like 100% sure, Zine, it's her husband killer her. You see me?
Oh, you know that? You seen do it?
Me not seen it, but I know.
Detective, come on. Come on. That can't hold up in a court, you know.
Listen, I say, you don't believe in me, so me just did a matter yeah, by myself. Me not need the help. Me did it. Me figure out a way to deal with this.
Boy, you act ignorant, but me can't tell you know, say the soup been tell me for you, take your gun and bad. And that me I tell you say that the man tell me say to do.
No worry yourself. Me do this. Me talk to him.
Yeah, brother, do that. Try find a way, yeah? Cause me no want to get mixed up in this, brother.
Everyone, no move. Everyone, turn on. Police
Yo,
boy.
what you do?
You don't know so I see it here. It kill you.
Yo, put down that. You know me a police.
Boss man, and you mash up my life, you know. Eh?
We didn't know, you know.
Boss man, you know so me have no hand here. You come like you take this thing up a joke.
You know you kill woman, you know.
And you mash up my life, you know, boss. You think it goes so? Eh? Guess what? My last thing that you go see.
Hey, Sue. Everything all right? Look a little flustered.
Len,
Yes, sir.
I don't know how to break the news to you now. But I
News.
just have to do it.
Okay.
You know that Johnson is down.
I'm sorry?
You know that Johnson is down.
Down as in, what you mean? So,
Your partner Johnson.
dead?
Yes, Len.
So, this must be a big joke or misunderstanding.
I wish it was a joke. Johnson was murdered in a volatile area in Spain town, they called it.
Spin Town. Last time I saw him was at a bar right around there. So it must be that same bar you're talking about. Nobody seen anything?
But come to think of it, you know,
It's a lot.
I just don't understand. You and Johnson work so closely, you can't give me no information on Johnson. What really happened? I'm hearing all kind of rumors about bar, female. I don't know what to believe. What do you know?
Guess I'm still trying to process. Well, Johnson got killed. So, if I tell you the truth, you know, the only thing I know is the lady that got killed that we're investigating. Johnson
Johnson was what?
was seen her.
See,
Was in a sexual relationship with her.
you know all of this, you know?
I know, Chief, forgive me. I tried to him to break the news. So I was just waiting for him to do the
You
right
can't be
thing.
serious.
No, I'm sorry. I know I messed
That
up.
will jeopardize.
I do understand.
That will jeopardize the investigation, you know?
Yeah, I hear you. I gave him a chance to say something. No.
You know now go stand up. So it was your responsibility for say something.
I just seen him soup and I was about to break it to you. But now you give me this unbelievable news. I was gonna say something to you. Like I gave him an ultimatum when I saw him at the bar over there.
I'm just coming from the crime scene.
So it's him?
Johnson died on the spot.
Jesus.
I'm yet to break it to the family. This is just...
Wow.
You're just as guilty as Johnson. No? You're just as guilty as Johnson. Johnson's detriment is because of your negligence. No? You are the one that caused your partner to die. You know? You should have said something. I don't even know how to call his family. I don't even know how.
I don't even know what to say. So really don't even know what to say. If you want me to talk to the family, I could do that on behalf of him still.
If I could have just meet him all in a state right now if he have sense, I would. Len,
Yes, sir.
I don't know if I should place my confidence in you, but I'm gonna try. Len, these two murders, you are in charge. You're in charge of solving these two murders. Len, don't fail me now.
Promise
Take
you,
it.
Chief.
Len,
I'm on it.
Len, Check it. This is the only way your partner can find rest. The only way you can rest in peace. Leg, focus on this. And you don't go give away 3 points, you know.
I'm on it, sir.
You see what happened to him because of negligence?
I'll do everything I can. Don't worry, Soup. I'm on
Right.
it. You can count on me.
I have some years on the ground. So while you do your investigation, anything will just collaborate. Be safe now.
I'm on it, Soup.
Yo, Dex, what I go on?
David.
Let's get to man. Relax, man. Relax. Yo, man, my next work for you.
I don't know more work.
Boss, man, stay right here, man. I can't load up thing, man. Easy,
David, you
man.
tell me to shut my mouth, you know, David. Me shut my mouth, you know.
Boss, man.
David, me not tell nobody nothing. Police come for me, you know.
That's the reason why I come to you, boss, man.
Police come for me, interrogate me, you know, about the same crime, you know. All box me get, you know. Man.
Which police box, you?
The same police, them want interrogate this crime scene, man.
2 of them box, sir. Which one of them box?
One of them box me.
Which police, sir?
The one fat one. What your name again?
Johnson.
Yes,
Don't
John.
worry about him, man. The man that grown, man. Boss, man, listen to me,
So,
man.
David, that's how you move.
Cool,
You
man.
murder
Hear
your
me?
girlfriend and know you murder.
Hear me, man. Boss, man. Where you?
You
Load
never
up the things,
heart.
so.
You never heart.
Listen to me, man. I'm going to come here to come a one work more with you right
I'm
now.
afraid right now.
You're not afraid, man. Look here. Strap.
So,
So don't worry yourself. Zane, I go up on our work, man. You pass every test, so you know everything good.
David, me
You
no
don't have a
want
choice
them
in a boss. You don't have a choice. You have to go deal with this, and you have to go deal with the driving. Zane, sir? Zane, sir?
Me a hear, me
We
hear.
settle?
Yeah.
Are we good?
Alright, me I go
Go on,
for
go
car.
on for your vehicle and forward.
I'm moving now.
Yeah, tell me no move. Hurry up, man. Yo, Scully. Yeah, man. You come out, man. Me see you drop on your foot. Yeah, man. Drive live, man. Drive there. There. Yeah, man. Just come out, Eileen. Zane?
David, what make you do all of this?
What make me do all of this?
Yeah, man.
Yo.
Normal people not do them something, yeah.
Let me tell you something, Richard.
Yeah, yeah.
Them say money are the root of all evil, but nothing go so.
Mm.
A woman are the root of all evil. Zane?
See.
Yo. When me there at Kingston in a boss. Zane? Me there. I live a terrible life, you know, man. I hear about a youth them called Merciless. I mean that, you know. Yeah, man. So you want
change
me
your
stay?
name.
Nah, man, I come down as a change my life. Decide, say, boy, I find a woman and settle down. And everything I roll good in a youth. I mean, I tell you, say, the woman, this is, just hold on, go and drive a little bit. The woman disrespect me in a worse way, in the boss. So all this is what happen right now, in a sick woman, you know.
So you make a woman make you do this, look much
No, man, woman is supposed to do this in kind of way, the man. Woman deal with me wicked, my youth.
John, no.
All of this way I say happen, sick of one woman. See, hold on. Pull over this, sir.
Which part?
Right, listen. Yeah, man, stop right there, sorry. Yeah, man, pull over, right. Yeah, man, right, so. Yeah. Hold on. I'm moving on you. Clean up, man. Hey, boy. Scully there.
Yeah, Officer Leg. Yeah, man, I Dex the driver, man. You know, say me there try park around taxi. I mean, one Dave, come for me do mission with him. Yeah, man. Him have gun to you, know, you have to be careful. But here, me I turn on my GPS on my phone and send it to you. Say just follow me. Yeah, man. I'm afraid, you know. Do me a bigger, more you protect me, you know. Me I play cool, man. Me I play cool. Yeah, man. Alright. Me I send it now.
Yo, youth. Boss man, it take so long, man.
I'm a key, me I look for him, but me find it.
You take too long, man.
Just find the key, hush.
Boss.
Come round now, come round. Guys.
Yo, Dex, just hold off here.
Police, don't move. Hands out your pocket. Hands up, put them up. Sir David Bonner, we're looking for you.
Yo, Dex.
Listen,
Yo, you really rat me out, you.
David Bonner, been looking for you. I want you to turn around. Put your hands on the bonnet.
Yo, idiot thing this, you know, man. Man, you,
Oh, yeah?
you really rat me out, you.
Hands on the bonnet.
You really rat me out, you.
Anything in your pocket? Any sharp instrument? Sir David Bonner. Oh, what this? Gun? Or the murder weapon this? Okay. I've been away for a long time, man. Bonner, man. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Boss man.
Murder of the one Chantel Williams.
Yo, me no murder. Boss man.
And Detective Johnson.
Me no murder on a body, boss. What kind of thing that?
Oh, yeah?
Yo, how you the man?
Tell that to the judge, man.
Yo, police, I want to hear, man. Me no
Big
murder on
shooter.
nobody, man.
Top shooter, huh?
Boss man, what kind of idiot thing this, man?
Yeah,
You
man.
cuff me up, Bridging, for man.
No long when I look for you.
Yo, Bridging, the thing tight, you know. How are you the police,
Yeah?
man?
You tight? You're not tight yet.
Bastard.
David Bonner,
Yeah,
man.
yo, you see how you
Alright, shut up, man.
you rat me out, you know, boy. How you mean?
Yes, man, me glad now me can work free. Get rid of him, man, a long time. Me not no heart, man. Two people like to take already, brother.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
You see the party where Born to Shine put on, Richard Brown Films are endorse it. So I want to go and support it. It's a talent search and an after party. And guess where it go there? It go there in a Mandeville, right at the venue, Mandeville Primary and Junior High School, January the 24th. You see me? So I want to go support it. Make it a date, don't be late. You will see the admission upon it. And they might give a whole heap of money, you see me? So So I want to go support it. Bounty Killer go there, Craft go there. You know it's gonna be total niceness. So I make sure so I support it. And it's January 24th. And wait I got there. Mandeville Primary School and Junior High.
So you walk one. You see if you there in a grill, I don't want the finest things them in a Jamaican, authentic Jamaican craft items and nice Jamaican things. Only need to come check out Miss Fine store right at the craft market in a Negril. And we'll get good deal. It's me I say, and we have to support her the fullest you know, because she does say you wanna come shoot right there so and she know charge you $1.
Really
We
know?
love that. You see me? So to make sure we support her thing to the fullest.
You what? Me say you come. We just say Richard Brown say no. Probably gonna get a discount.
Alright, sound good.
The less you pay.
All right.
The less you pay.
All right.
And we say one love.
See you, Richard.
Seven mixologists, $500,000 in cash and prizes, but only one will walk away with the coveted title of Master Mixer. Do these mixers have what it takes to reign supreme in a mix with Samurai? The ultimate Master Mixer is. Let's find out.
Why not the mix with a unique twist?
Streaming now on Roku.
कारण a lot more comes to one
You
night.
easy for yourself, you know. Big belly police boy. You know.
Hold on, ready.
Yeah, so much Obia.
Eh? Wait just say Obia.
Just why we can't keep my straight face? Yeah. Give me a second. Alright, we're ready.
Ready. Where you look for me so far?
Yes, alright. Alright, we're ready again. Come. You want only one pasta.
Different friend.
Oh, yeah, Bible verse. Oh.
And read Psalm.
Yeah. Alright.
When you do all of that, just don't say.
So much may I charge him?
15,000 man.
Oh.
Charge 100,000. God, 15,000 good man.
Alright.
I don't know.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Come right here, sir.
Yes. Never be your feet cocky out so fast.
Oh, you come give me talk and one time, me talk, me tell you, say. You ready? You ready?
You like to add light more on street?
Alright, cut Richie.
That happened, that's even better. It sounds like you really care. You know what I mean?
Get the emotion right there, sir. You feel and pain. Yeah, man. Wipe off this picture. Yeah. One woman shot around a man. You know.
And action! You not catch you.
If for me and me, when me meet you, me never plan to go through all of this and me talk to you about that. Zane?
What? I will listen. You know, I'm machine with the compile.
Yeah,
So
I'll tell him.
but you know, I'm machine with the compile.
I'll not tell him, man.
I will listen. Come in now, come in.
You can't get to yourself now and keep it trouble. I don't want them take my brain off of you, you know. Because I know what happened to you. Body no, no. Sorry, brother. Sorry.
You know what come up with our head saying go mash words together? Eh? You see that enemy, I make Dre get locked up with him, you know. Go on.
Really?
I already know. Jabby don't move too much here, shot here.